can't see anything. Oh shit, oh shit. Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to Living Lost Off-Road. It's snowing in Virginia, so you know we gotta whip the Grom. We gotta take the Grom out. I'm just fishtailing this whole road right now. Oh my gosh. We just out here. I can't get any traction in the back right now, so this is kind of fun. Oh shit. Fuck. I keep just doing donuts. Fuck. I need to get some sort of traction so I can get to this roundabout over here. Give me some blacktop here. There we go. We're back, boys. We're just out here living lost. If you're not living, unless you're living lost, you know, so why not? What a better day than to rip the Grom on a snowy Friday night in V-Town. Ooh, a little roundabout action here. Ooh. Yeah. Let's go see where we can go tonight. I don't really know what we're doing. I don't really want to shift into second gear at all, but I think we might have to. So yeah, I'm just riding out here. I hope this camera lens isn't too bad. Let me wash it off. I hope this camera lens isn't too bad for you guys. It's actually not too cold out right now. It's not too bad at all. I'm just out here ripping the Grom. We're doing about 20. I'm not gonna go too far because I don't want to get pulled over or anything, so I'm just gonna kind of rip it in this neighborhood and stuff, you know. But yeah, it's a beautiful day out here right now. I ripped the Grom in the snow. I'm gonna turn around though. This dude's like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Let's head back. Gotta be careful on those turns. Yeah, so beautiful day out here right now. My visor is really fogging up a lot though. I hope you guys can see that. Let's see if I can. Oh, I can't see anything. We're just out here ripping the Grom. I'm really glad that I fixed these handlebars though, because now I can actually like steer straight and it's not that big of a deal. So that's good. I really shouldn't be going this fast, but I am anyways. I kind of want to find a road that brings me somewhere. Ooh. Oh, power slide, power slide. Oh gosh, guys, this shit is too fun. I'm just got my gloves on, got my helmet on, got my heated jacket right now, and I am just freaking ripping the shit out of this Grom. Except it doesn't really want to drag until it catches concrete, which is understandable, you know, like every time I shift up, like the fucking thing spits out for me from the back. It's kind of fun. Hey, why isn't he riding right now? Why is no one out here? I'm about to post in the 757 group video that like no one's out here riding and I'm sad. Oh wait, no parking. Well, let's just hop the curb. Oh, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Out here doing Grom stuff. Oh, my Grom died. Shit. Shit. Now we're at the grocery store. Do we need to do a grocery run? Maybe. I don't know. It's more icy than it is snowy out. That's the best part. Is that it's like riding a freaking Grom on the ice rink. I grew up, we used to go to ice races back home in Wisconsin where like they would build the weirdest stuff ever, like freaking bar stool racers or shopping carts or dirt bikes or whatever, and like they would just rip them on the ice, which I mean it's kind of fun, you know. People do this stuff all the time though. Like, what do people do if this is their only mode of transportation, you know? But we're at Kroger. I need to get some pictures for the gram though. My visor is so foggy, it's stupid. I can't see anything right now. Oh, you can go. Why are you looking at that? Think I'm weird? Maybe he thinks I'm a little weird. I'm not too sure. Why would this be weird? This is just Grom ripping the streets. I don't know why any of this is weird. Oh, I forgot my scent on my helmet though. Oh man. I hope that doesn't get bad. I'm not too sure. I don't know where else to go though. I don't really want to go out in traffic because I trust myself. I don't trust other people, if that makes sense. You know, like I just don't trust other people's driving. So I don't really want to go in traffic too much. Let's wait for this Hyundai to get out of my way. It is a ridiculous amount of fun though to rip this Grom right now. Let's see if we can get it neutral. I just want to get a picture of this though. I took the Jeep out for a little bit, seeing if anyone needed to be towed or anything, but I couldn't find anybody that needed to be towed. The roads aren't that bad that anybody would need to be towed, so I mean, like, that's why we brought the Grom out, because the Grom is just way more fun right now, you know? This is gonna be a fun video to edit. Look, every time. God damn it. People are getting pissed at me though. Maybe I should go back home. You know? I'm not sure though. I'm not causing anybody trouble, am I? I don't know. I really want a shopping cart so I can build a shopping cart racer. That's what I really want, but I'm not too sure if I want one or not. So I'm just ripping. Nowhere ready to go, you know. This car is really mad at me right now though. Nice little Challenger out here. Hemi. He probably gets all the power and no traction. That's cool. Like my Grom. So much power and no traction. Ooh, second gear. Ooh. 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 Oh, look at this shopping cart guy. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Am I just doing a burnout right now? Oh, that guy is pissed. I'm just out here pissing people off is what I'm doing, to be quite honest with you. I'm not even... No one wants to have any fun with me! Why not? That's kind of rude, don't you think? The problem is I don't trust cars. That's the problem. Like, I don't trust their braking ability out here in Virginia. That's why I don't really want to ride too far, but I want to though. Ooh, second. I do a burnout every time I hit second gear, and it's freaking hilarious. I gotta shut my visor a little bit though. It's freaking hilarious though. We out here though, ripping the Grom, nothing to do. I was gonna put out a video for you guys though, like talking about the channel and why it is called what it's called. I'm gonna do it on the Grom though, because my mic sounds like way better on the Grom. So I'm just gonna do that on the Grom, so then I can actually talk to you guys about it and whatnot. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just out here. I really want to get a picture of this thing though, because it's a bad bitch. I don't like how foggy my mask is getting though. It's redonkulous, dude. We just out here in the Grom, pissing people off. Fuck, I can't see anything. Let's go see what we can get back here. Let's go see if there's anybody out having any fun. I thought I saw blue lights behind me. That's not good. Maybe I did? I'm not really sure. Oh, these are nice back here. Nice little apartment complexes. Pull up skirt. I'm not gonna be able to get any traction. I'm like out of gear just fucking revving it right now. think my clutch is shot though, because quite honestly, it shouldn't be like this, but it is. I want to get a picture, but my Grom won't stand up. My kickstand's broken. See? It stood up. Grommy day. See, this car comes and yells at me. I'm not too sure if they will or not. Whatever, fuck them. I'm just having a good day. You know? I've been starting to get this second gear down and shit though. So that's good. But I mean, I'm doing the speed limit, kinda. Right? Every time I apply the front brake, it just skids like for so far. I don't know where I am. These are nice houses though. Shit. I wonder if these are like, I wonder if you can like buy them, or if you have to like, I'm assuming you rent them. Everything in Virginia is rental, right? Like, oh, but these are pretty nice though. We're just back here in the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood, to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. Hood, 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 hood. Dead end, dead end. See if we get a drift. This is more fun than a car though. Oh my god. I need to get a new clutch ASAP. ASAP. As long as I come off the gas and shift, like, as long as I make like a nice slow shift, like it doesn't really spit out, which is good. Oh, and I'm getting snow mice. That's cool. I don't know where I'm going either. I'm just in this neighborhood. The winds are like pretty. Watch this brake lock up. Yeah. Oh gee. It's this freaking clutch, guys. I swear to God. I swear to God, it's the clutch. See if we can bust a little Bernie. Bust a little Bernie, bust a little Bernie. Skirt, 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 skirt. Taking pics for the camera. Yeah, I don't know. But I'm probably gonna head home soon though. It's decently way home. Well, like as soon as I find my way out of this apartment complex, it's decently distance home, so I'm gonna go rip it home for you guys. I got a video that I did in my parking lot at home that I'll post on Instagram, but I'm gonna get home and edit this video and whatnot. I gotta take care of this face mask too. His face mask is way too foggy right now, but oh, a little second gear. But yeah, guys, so welcome to Living Lost if you're not have been here before. This is what we do. Just stupid shit that you probably shouldn't do. But we're from Wisconsin, so we like snow and playing in it, and it's a good time. So yeah, hit the subscribe button down below if you want more videos like this. Well, not like the snow, because it never snows in Virginia, but click that freaking subscribe button if you want more videos just like this. And let's go drink some beer, eh? Let's go drink some beer. So, alright guys, you're not living unless you're living lost. Get out there, keep it freaking two wheels down, rip some shit up, and have some fun. Peace. Oh shit. Oh shoot, that's a good one though.